What's up, YouTube? Last time you saw me, you saw my capacitive discharge welder and my battery pack. I recently sold those to some guys on endlesssphere.com. Here you're just seeing my hub motor. I basically modified it. I vented the side covers, both of them. As you can see, I installed the Turnigy temperature sensor inside, so I could see the temperature of the hub motor on my handlebar. Here I got my Cycle Analyst, Cree XML T6 flashlight. I got an Avid BB7 brake here with a 203mm rotor. It should be pretty powerful with that big of a disc brake. And my battery pack is gonna be in the middle of my frame. Here I just have a cardboard mock-up of my frame, so I can design the battery box out of this birch wood that I have here. It's a 2x4 piece, 2-foot-by-4 piece. I'm gonna paint it white. Some of this paint that I got for free from Lowe's, one of their specials for a spring. You can get a little thing like this for free if you bring in the card that's in the newspaper or whatever. Got my paintbrush, and to cut the board so I can build my battery box out of that birch wood, I bought this circular saw blade from Lowe's. It was like $8, and this is meant for plywood. So that's my progress so far. I'll be making a new capacitive discharge welder with 3 of those Rockford Fosgate capacitors in parallel, so I can get a more solid weld. And also I'm going to be making a new battery pack with that welder. I'm going to be using Conian cells, and it's going to be a 20S, 20 in series, and 7 in parallel. Alright guys, just a little update. Thanks for watching.